Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make the first letter an enlarged capital letter in your Outlook emails. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, your inbox will load up with all your emails. Now that your emails are loaded, let's get into the actual tutorial. To apply this formatting effect, you'll need to start composing a new email. Look towards the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Click on it to open up a fresh email composition window. This is where you'll be able to access all the formatting tools you need. Once the email composition screen opens up, you'll want to type in some sample text first. This is important because the drop cap effect needs existing text to work with. So go ahead and type a few sentences or a paragraph, whatever you'd like to use for demonstration purposes. This gives you something to apply the formatting to and lets you see exactly how the effect will look. After you've typed your sample content, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Insert tab. This tab contains various tools for adding different elements and formatting options to your email beyond the basic text editing features. Within the Insert menu, you'll need to locate the Text section. This area groups together all the text-related formatting options. From here, look for the Drop Cap drop-down option. The Drop Cap feature is specifically designed to create that enlarged first letter effect you're looking for. Click on the Drop Cap drop-down and you'll see additional options appear. From the list of options that appears, simply click on Dropped. As soon as you select this option, you'll immediately see the first letter of your email transform into an enlarged capital letter. This creates a professional and eye-catching effect that makes your email stand out and gives it a more polished, newsletter-style appearance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully applied an enlarged capital letter to the beginning of your Outlook email. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.